Hello everyone, this video is from Root the Solution, and today in this video we are going to cover question number 1 and 2 of chapter 1 integers of grade 7 from NCERT textbook. Let's start from question number 1, first part. The question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places mentioned on it. So there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places are there and we need to find the temperature of these places. Remember, in the previous video we have discussed how to represent the numbers or integers on number line. See, this is 0. So right hand side of 0 we have positive numbers. Let's mark them. This would be plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10 is given, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is given, then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is given. Now we have 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now start from the left hand side of 0. This is 0. Left hand side would be negative numbers. So let's start. This would be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 is given. Now it's minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. Minus 10 is already given. So let's start writing these particular places temperature. I'll write in short Lowell Spiti. So I'll write here L, and the temperature of this place is, see this marking, the temperature of this place is minus 8 degree Celsius. Let's take the second place. Second place is Srinagar. So I'll write Srinagar like this. Temperature of Srinagar is, just see the marking, the temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. Now let's take the third place. The third place is Shimla, and the temperature of this place is, see the marking, it's plus 5 degree Celsius. Now the fourth place is Ooty, and the temperature of this place is plus 14 degree Celsius. And now the fifth place, which is Bangalore, and the temperature of this place is 22 degree Celsius. So these are the temperature of these 5 places. Let's move on to the second part. The second part of this question is that find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. So here the hottest place means the place having the maximum temperature, and the place is Bangalore, and the temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius, which we have done in previous part. Now the next is coldest place. Coldest place means the place where the temperature is minimum. So that place is Lahul Spiti, and the temperature of this place is minus 8 degree Celsius. Now what is asked in the question? Difference is asked. In difference we use to subtract the greater number and subtract and the smaller number, right? So firstly we'll write the greater number. The greater number is 22, subtraction sign, and then we'll subtract the smaller number, right? So what we'll do, 22 would be as it is. Now just see, remember the multiplication rule, minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus, and this 8. So 22 plus 8 is 30 degree Celsius. This is the difference between the temperature of the hottest and the coldest place on this number line. Let's move on to the next part. The third part is that what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So for this, firstly we need to write the temperature of these two places. This is Lahul Spiti, and the temperature of this place is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now move on to the Srinagar. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. What is asked in the question? Again the difference is asked. Difference means we need to subtract the temperature. We always subtract smaller number from greater number. So which one is greater? Minus 8 is greater or minus 2? The number which comes on the right hand side of number line is greater. So minus 2 is greater. So we'll write the greater number first and subtraction sign and then the smaller number. So it would be minus 2. Then this minus into minus, it would be plus 8. Now see, one number is negative, one is positive. When different signs are there, we used to subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6. And sign of the greater number, which is plus. So the answer is, and the difference is plus 6 degree Celsius. Right? Okay. Now, the last step of this question, the last part, the question says, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, together means plus, is less than the temperature at Shimla? Let's see the temperature. Firstly, we'll find out the temperature of Srinagar, then we'll find the temperature of Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is this, which is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Shimla is plus 5 degree Celsius. Now we'll find the temperature together, which is Srinagar plus Shimla. The temperature would be minus 2 plus 5. Minus one number is negative, one is positive, we'll subtract and the sign of the greater number, which is plus. So together the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar constitutes plus 3 degree Celsius. Now the first question is this temperature, this Srinagar plus Shimla, is this temperature less than the temperature of Shimla? Let's see. Together the temperature is plus 3. Is it less than the temperature of Shimla, which is plus 5? Yes, this is correct, right? Because plus 3 is smaller than plus 5. This is first part. Now, the second part. The question is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So, let's find Srinagar and Shimla together, their temperature. Is it less than the temperature of Srinagar also? Find out. Together their temperature is plus 3 and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2. Is it possible that a positive number is less than a negative number? No. So in this case, this is not true. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. The question number 2 of this exercise. The question says that in a quiz, positive numbers are given for correct answers and negative numbers are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So first we'll write the marks that they have achieved in that particular rounds. In first round, Jack has scored 25 points. In second round, Jack has scored a negative 5. Then in third, negative 10. In fourth round, 15 points, and in fifth it's 10. So we need to find the total score. So how we'll find the total score? We'll write total score equals to first round 25. We'll add all the score. First is 25, then second round was minus 5, then third round was minus 10, in fourth round he scored 15 and in fifth round he scored 10. Okay, so how we'll solve this? We'll write 25 as it is. Now remember, before a number, two signs are there, plus into minus. So plus into minus would be minus 5. Again, plus into minus, it would be minus 10. Then as it is, plus 15 and plus 10. Now how we'll solve the expression with both negative and positive values? The best way is, you can do in various ways, but the best approach is you will write all the positive numbers together. 25 is positive, 15 is positive and 10 is positive. So we'll write these three positive numbers together and then we'll write these negative numbers, minus 5, minus 10. So let's solve this one first. All the positive numbers are there. If all are positive numbers, we used to add them and put the positive sign. So 25 plus 15 plus 10, it would be 50, and minus 5 minus 10, minus 5 minus 10, both are negative, so we will add and put the minus sign. It would be minus 15. Now 50 minus 15, one is positive, one is negative, we used to subtract. 50 minus 15 is 35, and the sign of the positive number, which is plus. So the Jack's total score is 35. Okay, I hope you like the video. Kindly like and subscribe this for more questions. And in next video, we are going to cover question number 3 and 4 of the same exercise 1.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.